So you have the dream of moving abroad here to Colombia, but you don't have, let's say, social security or retirement or anything like that, and you want to make it happen. Let me tell you how possible or how feasible that whole idea is. Welcome to How to Expat. My name is Sam, and at How to Expat we help expats relocate. Lately we got a lot of questions of people that see me living here in Colombia in around my age, and they also want to make it happen and come here to Colombia and live, and let's say they come here as a backpacker, and yeah, they want to kind of move permanently, and they have different ideas of how they can do that. And then they ask us, how did we do it? How can one do it anyway here? And a lot of people have the idea that they can work here, get a visa through that, and have a great life here in Colombia. Unfortunately, it's not so easy. So yes, you can get a visa if you work here. So it's very, very easy. There's no real the company has to have certain requirements and has to be a certain size, but usually anybody can, mostly any big company can give out visas if you want to work with them. The thing is just the salary. So especially a lot of people that come to Colombia, they want to come specifically to Medellin, where the wage in the city is on an average around $600 a month. Colombian can live with that money because their life structure is very, very different. But as a foreigner, you at least, even if you're single and you're kind of the backpacker, scruffy type, you want to at least have $800 to $1,000 on your name per month. So the question is, how can one make it happen to come here? Most people, they open their own businesses. But that's quite hard as well because just even in your home country opening a business, the statistics say 9 out of 10 startups, they fail, right? So it would be way, way better with this one little trick or one little tip. And this is if you have worked from home, if that's kind of an online job or maybe the employer you're already working for, you can kind of work with him or with that company online, then that would be the best way to go. It's really to make ends meet in Colombia is very, very hard. We know that we have let's say a couple of companies here in Colombia, and the hourly wage is just very, very low. And the Colombians, again, they can make it happen because they have a different life structure. But as a foreigner, you need to bring in more money than that, which is kind of already like, why should somebody employ you? You need more money as a foreigner than if they can work with a Colombian. The thing is, in Bogota, it's a little bit different. There are many international companies. You can get more or less good salary. So there you could have a look at international companies if they have, let's say, an international job exchanges, if they have some listings there. If you want to live in Medellin, try to find something back home. Or then the other thing is, we already made a video about that. Try to teach English online. Teaching English here on the ground, also, like, the wage is $600, $700, $800 a month. If you're watching that video and you had boots on the ground job here that you could earn more, please write it down in the comments below. It would be very interested if you found something like that. But teaching English online is probably your best bet if you don't have an employer back home or you have some online skills you can use. I think that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to kind of clear up that it's not so easy to make money here. It's not so easy for, let's say, a young person that doesn't have retirement, doesn't have social security, to make ends meet here in Colombia, get a visa, and can kind of live happily ever after here. So you really have to do your due diligence and best teach English, or kind of have an online job you can do from abroad for a company, let's say in the US, Canada, or somewhere in Europe. That was pretty much it. If you have a special question you would want to ask me about how you can make it happen here in Colombia, and ask me how I made it happen here to live in Colombia full time as somebody has no retirement, we offer a Skype consultation. The link to that is in the description down below.